Hey guys, welcome back to DelftStack, and today I will be showing you how to stop Waze from running in the background iPhone. So, if you ever encounter this issue, I have two solutions for you. So, for example, I open up the Waze, and after that, and it's still running on the background. What you could try to do is use the Home tab, and after that you could just simply tap on the double home and you could just simply close the Waze application over here in order for you to remove it from running in the background. Now, somehow, if you're still having a problem, the second solution is go for the settings. Now, over here, you could just simply scroll down and you will have an option down below, apps. So go ahead and tap on the apps. And from here, of course, you could just simply tap on the Waze application, or you can find it, or you could use the search bar on the top, of course, and tap on the Waze. Now, from here, as you can see, if you have the background app refresh, make sure to turn this off in order for you to fix your issue to stop the Waze from running in the background. There you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.